Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin and this is Avian, and today we're going to be making a high chair for Crybaby, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go through how we're going to do this. So as you see, I've got my cut list done. We're actually going to be using this, which is 20 millimeters by 18 millimeters. I'm going to be cutting it out of this, which is 95 millimeters by 18. So I'll get 4 of these out of each piece. I've also got some 2x1 that I'll be cutting down as well, so I'll get 2 of these per piece. Okay, so I haven't got too much of this stuff, and as I say, I have a little bit of 2x1 as well, and I don't want to go out and buy anything, so I'm going to be cutting it down first and then ripping it through, just so I can get as much as possible out of the wood. Yeah, so once I get it cut down into all the sections and into the proper lengths, then I'm going to pre-assemble the whole thing, because my daughter is going to be putting it together, and I want everything to go together easily for her. So I'll take it back apart, we'll re-glue it and screw it, and then it should go together really easily. Yeah, so that's pretty much how it's going to run.
Moments later.
Okay, so we're getting on really well there now. We have all the major cutting out done. Everything's cut down into its sizes. Next up, I'm going to start marking out where everything attaches. We're then going to drill it and do the countersinking. Once that's done, then I'm going to put it together temporarily. I'm going to take it back apart then, and my daughter's going to come in and help me to put it together. So we're just going to screw and glue it together. Yeah, so that's up next.
One hour later.
Okay, so I've got all the pieces laid out for the chair, so we're just going to start putting it together.
Eventually. The next day.
Okay, so that's a wrap on today's video. We're all finished. I think it turned out really well and my daughter's really happy with it. It suits the doll really well and is the perfect height for the table. So the doll's been eating every meal with a sense. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.